COMELEC in January. We filed a motion for reconsideration in February, and up to now, it has remained unacted upon. After consulting with our chairman, Metro Manila, in the provinces, our National Council members, and our partner, CBCP, NASA, we have made a decision to withdraw our petition for accreditation. We will, however, proceed with the role of Bantay ng Bayan, which does not require a COMELEC registration. And this role, Bantay ng Bayan, will be explained shortly by one of our officials. We are, of course, disappointed that COMELEC has not acted expeditiously on our motion for reconsideration. And it is obvious that they are not interested to obtain NAMPEL's assistance, despite the fact that since 1984, NAMPEL has been accredited as an election watchdog or a citizen's arm. Even the former dictator, Ferdinand Marcos, recognized the value of NAMPEL. And it is unfortunate that this COMELEC has decided not to accredit NAMPEL. They need policy.